Hi everybody, this should be a wild day. I get to cook 3 different steaks in 3 completely different ways for 3 very different functions. The first I'm doing is for the Employee of the Month lunch. I'm cooking a AAA Alberta ribeye and I'm doing it on a flat top nickel grill. The second is I'm doing a New York steak that I cut from a AAA Alberta strip loin for a private function. I'm just cooking these on the guest barbecue at his residence. It's a big birthday party. And now the money shot. I don't know what to tell you, folks. And finally, I get the best for last. I'm cooking 2 AAA Alberta cap steaks for Leanne and I. It's Friday night, steak dinner. So here we go. Let's go for a walk and have a look, see what it looks like. It is now precisely 11:37 in the morning, which means our guests will be arriving, I'm going to say in about 10 minutes. So let's have a look at the dining room. It's going to be a good one. Ribeye steaks, thick cut onion rings, crispy asparagus, mixed wild mushrooms, garlic toast, grilled garlic shrimp. Yeah, I'll give you a look. Give me a minute.